Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, traffic at your 1 to 2 o'clock a mile, about to turn base as a Skyhawk 6800.
Looking for traffic, 6 Delta Juliet.
Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, fly towards the west shore of Cherry Creek.
West shore of Cherry Creek for 6 Delta Juliet.
Tower, good morning, KM 970 on the visual on the left.
KM 970 Centennial, Tower, if you can, just maintain that speed. There'll be traffic in position prior to your arrival.
I'll do it, KM 970.
Thank you.
Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, traffic you're following just turned right base. They're heading to the right, 6,600 Cessna.
Traffic in sight, 6 Delta Juliet.
Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, follow them, runway 17 right, cleared to land. Additional traffic north shore is the Metro line up for the parallel.
Traffic in sight, cleared to land, 17 right, 6 Delta Juliet.
KM 970 traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, 6,500. Cessna on final for the parallel runway.
Roger, KM 970, we're looking.
KM 970, runway 17 left, cleared to land, wind foam.
Clear to land, 17 left, KM 970.
Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, do not overshoot the final. Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, do you require assistance?
Tower, KM 970, declare an emergency. We had, looks like the right engine failed, so I'm going to continue my landing here.
KM 970, we have crews coming, continuing down runway 17 left, clear to land.
Continue.
Sirius 6 Delta Juliet, if you hear this transmission, we have emergency vehicles, your direction.
And Tower, there's another one, it's probably a Sirius that dropped the parachute final for runway 17.
Thank you.
Cessna 251, do not overshoot final. There is an aircraft that is in distress just south of Cherry Creek Reservoir.
Yeah, they just pulled chute, 251.
Cessna 251, if you can give me an accurate location, we would appreciate it.
They're about 2 miles by those buildings right off 35.
Yeah, I see a parachute.
Yeah, the parachute is just south of the reservoir, is in the airport vicinity, just south of the reservoir, correct?
About a mile from the reservoir.
Tower 3 Sierra Papa, there's a Hawk. We're right between the parallels.
Attention all aircraft, use caution for a Hawk reported between the parallels.
Tower, that was a definite midair on short final. It's 4 o'clock.
KM 970, do you need any assistance?
I'm going to taxi off here, and I think I'll just park over in Signature. I'm good, though.
KM 970, Roger, I appreciate that. And if you just stand by.
Tower, I'm going to taxi on Alpha here back to this northwest corner of the Signature ramp.
KM 970, Roger, approved as requested, and we'll get a crew out to you also.
Roger.